When it comes to doomsday survival, the right gear makes all the difference. The best gadgets keep you prepared, safe and confident, giving you the tools you need to handle any challenge and come out stronger. All the mentioned products links are in the description. Number 25. Coast X PH30R. When emergencies strike, reliable lighting can make all the difference. Built with a storm-proof aluminum body and dust resistance, it withstands harsh conditions with ease. Its detachable 1,000 lumen light, versatile mounting options, and impressive 41-hour battery life provide dependable brightness for storms, hurricanes, or outdoor survival. With a powerful beam and rugged design, it's a must-have tool for anyone seeking adaptability and confidence in the darkest situations. Number 24. My Medic First Aid Kit. Be prepared for any outdoor emergency with a compact survival kit packed with 45+ essential first aid supplies. From gloves, bandages, blister care, and burn aids to hydration tools, it's designed for both minor and severe injuries. Lightweight yet durable with a Hypalon MOLLE panel, it attaches easily with a sturdy metal clip for quick access. HSA and FSA approved, it's the perfect companion for camping, hiking, or backpacking adventures. Number 23. JUKMO Tactical Belt. Stay prepared with a heavy-duty belt designed for strength and comfort. Its upgraded quick-release aluminum buckle allows easy adjustment and a secure fit, while the stretch nylon strap offers durability and flexibility. Ideal for military, tactical, or outdoor use, it keeps you comfortable during long hours of activity. Stylish, reliable, and gift-ready, it's built to handle demanding situations without compromising comfort or performance. Number 22. Holtzman's Survival Pen. Gear up with a compact survival toolkit designed to handle emergencies with ease. From cutting seatbelts and breaking car windows to sparking fires, crafting traps, and building shelters, it packs serious utility into one package. The set includes a 12-in-1 pen, rugged paracord, and a 30-piece stainless steel survival card with essentials like a compass, whistle, flashlight, and fish hook, ensuring you stay prepared and confident in any unpredictable situation. Number 21. A CR Rescue Flare. When survival depends on being seen, a powerful rescue flare can make all the difference. Featuring a high-intensity LED strobe, it delivers 360-degree visibility from over 6 miles away and includes a distress flag to meet U.S. Coast Guard standards. With more than 20 hours of runtime, it outlasts traditional flares while offering a safe, reliable, and effective way to signal for help in critical emergencies. Number 20. Trinity Keychain Knife. Always be prepared with a compact keychain knife designed for ultimate convenience and everyday use. Its magnetic quick-release system ensures instant access, whether opening packages, cutting cords, or tackling unexpected tasks. Built with a sharp, durable blade, it attaches securely to your keychain, keeping a reliable cutting tool within reach at all times. Lightweight yet strong, it's the perfect blend of practicality and readiness for both daily needs and survival situations. Number 19. Firefast Trekker. Starting a fire in harsh conditions calls for a tool built to perform under pressure. Crafted with a blend of rare earth metals, iron, magnesium, and anti-corrosive elements, it delivers sparks hot enough to ignite even stubborn tinder. Magnesium shavings catch easily with the striker, while the hardwood handle offers a firm grip and doubles as backup tinder. Paired with a rot-resistant cord, it ensures reliable fire starting anywhere. Number 18. Multi-Use Axe Machete. A true blend of tradition and innovation, this multi-use survival tool combines the functions of a machete, shovel, brush axe, and knife in one. Handmade by Amish craftsmen, it features a high-carbon steel blade, ergonomic ashwood handle, and a finely crafted leather sheath. Built for comfort and durability, it reduces fatigue during long use while offering unmatched strength. Made in the USA, it's designed to last for generations. Number 17. Avon Protection. When facing chemical, biological, radiological, or nuclear threats, having the right protection can mean survival. A compact escape respirator provides 15 minutes of critical defense for the lungs, eyes, and face, ensuring safe evacuation from hazardous environments. With clear visibility, twin low-profile filters for easier breathing, and a reflective strip for low light, it's both practical and discreet. Built with a 5-year shelf life, it remains a trusted safeguard for emergencies. Number 16. Boost Oxygen. Breathe easier with 99.5% pure oxygen, offering natural, prescription-free respiratory support anytime, anywhere. Infused with a refreshing menthol eucalyptus aroma, it delivers a cooling boost often enjoyed in colder months. Lightweight and portable, each recyclable canister holds 10 liters for on-the-go use. Supporting healthy brain and cellular function, it's a trusted way to recharge your body. Proudly made in the USA by a leading brand recognized worldwide. Number 15. BPS Knives Beta. A reliable knife is a must-have for survival. Built with a durable D2 steel blade, it offers excellent edge retention and corrosion resistance. Perfect for cutting rope, splitting wood, or meal prep outdoors. Its full-tang design adds strength and balance, while the micarta handle ensures a secure grip in any condition. With a versatile ABS sheath for easy carry, it's a dependable tool for both outdoor adventures and emergencies. Number 14. Survival Frog Canned Meat. Stocking up on long-lasting protein can be a game-changer in survival planning. Thanks to a careful canning process, raw meat is hand-packed and pressure-cooked to lock in freshness, lasting 5 to 25 years with proper storage. Each 14.5-ounce can is portioned to reduce waste, with clear labeling for easy rotation. Available in beef, chicken, and ground beef, it provides a reliable, protein-rich option for emergencies and long-term preparedness. Number 13. Savoda Keika Duffel Bag. Built to withstand the harshest conditions, this rugged duffel bag is a reliable choice for survivalists, tactical use, and outdoor adventures. Made with 1000D Cordura fabric, reinforced seams, and heavy-duty hardware, it's designed for strength and durability. The spacious main compartment, mesh organizers, and side pockets keep gear accessible, while welded steel D-rings allow versatile carry options. With protective inserts and customizable loop fields, it offers durability, organization, and adaptability in one. Number 12. Amabilis Tactical Jacket. At first glance, it may look like an ordinary jacket, but once worn, its role in survival and emergency readiness becomes clear. Blending cotton comfort with nylon durability, it's built for tough conditions. Reinforced shoulders reduce strain when carrying heavy gear, while 10 strategically placed pockets, some hidden with laser-cut mullet patterns, provide secure storage for essential tools and supplies, making it both functional and dependable in critical situations. Number 11. Tactical Multi-Tool Knife. Packed with 19 tools in one compact design, this heavy-duty multi-tool is built for versatility and reliability. Crafted from premium 440A and 420 steel, with 50 CR15 MOV alloy, it includes pliers, wire cutters, scissors, saw, knife, screwdrivers, openers, and more. Each tool locks securely for safe use, while the lightweight 252-gram build ensures easy carry. Perfect for outdoor adventures, emergencies, or everyday tasks, it's a dependable companion in any situation. Number 10. FNIRSI Radiation Dosimeter. Stay prepared against unseen threats with a compact nuclear radiation detector designed to monitor gamma, beta, and X-rays. Offering a wide detection range and real-time dose tracking, it features customizable alarms with light, sound, or vibration alerts for instant warnings. Simple one-handed operation and multiple language options make it user-friendly. Ideal for home safety, geological surveys, industrial work, or radiation labs, it's a reliable tool for detecting ionizing radiation in any environment. Number 9. Medical SOF Tactical Tourniquet. In life-threatening emergencies, A reliable tourniquet can make all the difference. Featuring a built-in slack indicator, it guarantees proper tightening by signaling any looseness. The sturdy buckle allows fast, one-handed use, while durable webbing ensures dependable performance. For arm wounds, it should be applied 3 inches above the injury. For legs, beneath the natural curve. It can also help slow venom spread after snake bites, offering critical support when seconds matter. Number 8. Split-wing mesh body. For ultralight backpackers, a reliable bug shelter can be a game changer. Featuring a full perimeter tub floor, it pairs seamlessly with a tarp or works great on its own, offering solid protection against insects and critters. Built with 20D ripstop fabric, sturdy zippers, and a PE-coated floor, it's lightweight at just 332 grams. With sealing O-rings, side pullouts, and compact packing, it balances practicality, comfort, and versatility for any adventure. Number 7. VSSL Camp Supplies. When venturing into the wild, having a dependable survival kit can make all the difference. Packed with over 70 essential tools and first aid items, it comes in a rugged, military-grade aluminum container that's compact and easy to carry. Designed for efficiency, every piece of gear is neatly organized for quick access when seconds matter. Built for preppers and adventurers alike, it ensures you're always ready for emergencies. Number 6. Fire Strip Roll. When survival depends on fire, having a reliable starter can be life-saving. Made from thick fibrous paper coated in wax, it delivers a steady, long-lasting flame in any environment. Its adaptability sets it apart, easily igniting with a spark, lighter, or open flame. Just tear, fluff, and spark to get it going. With an oxygen-free design, long shelf life, and versatile ignition, it's a trusted essential for any survival kit. Number 5. TT Mil Ops Pack 30. Built for demanding missions and rugged adventures, this 30-liter pack delivers both comfort and functionality. A padded back, removable waist belt, and adjustable chest straps ensure balanced support and mobility. With zippered compartments, side pockets, and mola webbing, it offers smart organization for critical gear. Side compression straps enhance stability, while hydration system compatibility keeps you refreshed on the move, making it a dependable backpack for military survival or outdoor use. Number 4. Jackfish Survival Credit Card Holder. Turn your everyday card holder into a powerful multi-tool. Crafted from ultra-strong titanium and just 8.5 millimeters thin, it's more than a wallet, it's survival gear. Equipped with essentials like a mini knife, fire starter, windproof matches, compass, hex bits, and even a micro SD slot, it keeps you prepared for anything. From starting a fire to navigating unknown trails, this sleek design delivers maximum practicality in a minimalist form. Number 3. DJI Mini 3. Take your aerial adventures to the next level with a lightweight drone under 249 grams, meaning no FAA registration is needed for recreational flights. Capture stunning 4K HDR videos with true vertical shooting for social media, enjoy up to 51 minutes of flight time, and benefit from strong wind resistance with a 3-axis gimbal for smooth shots. With 10-kilometer HD video transmission in creative modes like quick shots and panorama, breathtaking footage is always within reach. Number 2. AquaQuest Defender Tarp. Built to endure the harshest conditions, this waterproof tarp boasts a 20,000 millimeter rating, dual-layer coating, and rugged 70 denier nylon to withstand storms, rain, and strong winds. Reinforced tie-outs and tough stitching ensure durability for bushcraft, hammocks, or survival shelters. Offering 64 square feet of coverage with 21 setup points, it adapts to lean-to, A-frame, or diamond shelters. Designed for year-round use, it's a trusted choice for adventurers needing reliable protection outdoors. Number 1. EST Gear Survival Shovel. For any adventure or survival challenge, a rugged multifunctional shovel proves indispensable. Built from heat-treated carbon steel with a corrosion-resistant spade and aerospace-grade aluminum handle, it ensures lasting strength. Beyond digging and chopping, it includes a knife, saw, axe, fire starter, compass, wrench, rope cutter, and whistle. Lightweight, compact, and easy to carry, it's a versatile tool built to handle the toughest outdoor demands with reliability and efficiency. So that's it for now. We hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe for more great content. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.